we have marked out these dovetail keys, as you can see perhaps. It's now time to carefully plunge in with the back saw and do our cut. We're cutting about 1/16 of an inch off the line. We'll chisel our finished surface down, but if we do these two plunge cuts very near the line, it'll save us a lot of work. As I approach the bottom of the key, where the actual bottom of the key is going to lie, I have to be very careful to not extend over that line, likewise here and up here. So there's 4 plunge cuts to do here, another one on the other side of this key, and then there's a key located over here, so there'll be 2 cuts over there, and 4 cuts on the other end of the table already done. Now, what we're about to do is rough out the material in between the cuts. I've taken across the base of this key, like right across that, and I've taken I had a line on there, but I took a knife and I scored a little knife edge along there. And I like to do that because with a knife edge and a super sharp chisel, you can actually feel where that knife edge is. You can drop the chisel into the knife edge. Then you'll notice here I'm using the angle of my block to get the entry right, the initial entry, because that's the critical part. I'm going to move away from that line a bit now to rough the material out. This is a little more aggressive process I can take. Usually, now you can see the material is starting to come out. So we clean the bulk of the material out, we clean out both of these, then I'll stand this table up on end and go at it from the other side, clean the bulk of the material out. I think I'll probably do all 4 keys like that, and then I'll come back and revisit the finished fitting of all 4 keys. So I've got these keys fitted, and you see that they go up in like this, and then you tap them in with a hammer. Down to the other end here, there's a nice look here at some finished ones. So these 2 are they're all set in, sanded, flush.